GDPR, I think, hopefully is pretty much, been and gone.
Apart from changing the way that businesses deal with data protection, it's also been quite a major overhaul of systems.
We've got Making Tax Digital, will be happening next year. Again, I think there'll be a lot of noise about that, but I think it'll be just a minor ripple really. I think most people are doing quarterly VAT returns anyway. So it's just a small leap to be uploading that. I think AI very much in its infancy. I think we'll see that become more mature over the next 2 to 3 years.
The ERP system Dynamics NAV, which is an on-premise solution, so that's a full financial, manufacturing, warehousing, service management, CRM package all out of one box.
That is their SMB flagship ERP system. We have run in that industry for many, many years. Our company has a collective experience of over 200 years with that product.
And we also have the shining new Dynamics 365 Business Central product, which is the completely cloud-hosted subscription-based model.
We're still finding that there's an awful lot of people who've not heard of Business Central, and I really think that message needs to get out there.
When you buy Business Central, you get a free license for your accountant. Now with the Accountancy Hub, it allows them to get things like notifications and a really nice dashboard so that they can service a number of different customers.
And we will also, of course, plug in the stuff that integrates around the Dynamics NAV piece, such as Office 365 and our e-commerce solutions as well.
People who have started with your basic finance package, something free or very, very low value but low functionality, and they need something that they can use to run their whole business.
We were looking to forge partnerships with accountants to see what we could do to our software to help them provide services to their customers.
We hoped to meet some people looking for a new ERP system, ideally people that were ready to buy, and accountants or other software providers to partner with, because that's our mission for next year. I would say it's aimed at CFOs, and I would say it's aimed at accountancy practices.
There was a reasonable variety of people there.
We met an awful lot of financial directors, CFOs, people of that ilk who are looking for new systems, so the show was fantastic from our point of view in that respect.
There are a lot of accountancy software companies at the show who are very much dealing with that smaller end of the market, and there are very few who are dealing with those larger SMB customers. And so we were very much there to talk to those people who are growing from that start, or at least knew that they were going to start very small but grow rapidly. We were ideally placed to speak to those sorts of people.
Yes, it was a very successful show for us.
I think it was a very good show. The amount of leads we got certainly justifies us turning up again next year.
I've been doing exhibitions to a number of different types of industries, and this is by far the busiest, most targeted show that we've been to.
It's brought us in the best results and definitely worth doing again next year for us.